I'm Elias van der Putten, Flexibility Manager at Belgian.energy. We are a supplier and producer of electricity in the Belgian energy market. Here we are at the bioenergy base. So here we produce electricity and also we produce a lot of steam, which is then transported via one of the biggest heat networks in Belgium to our neighbors in the port of Ghent.
I'm Jonas, I'm one of the two co-founders of Companion.energy. Companion.energy helps large energy consumers and large energy producers to reduce their energy costs by aligning their consumption with renewable production at times when energy markets are low in price.
With B, we have an entrepreneurial mindset. We want to innovate and to make impact in the Belgian market.
Together with partners like B, we help to adopt more flexibility into the way they use electricity. And that in the end will help the energy transition along and will help us to adopt more renewables into our system. We're on this energy transition, right? To be more renewable and be more green. It's important with society that we become electric as soon as possible.
Steering of different type of assets for different type of customers is not easy, but we find constructive solutions and day by day we try to improve the platform and the partnership.
When we saw people steering flexibly, adjusting their demand to energy prices, B was one of the market leaders at the moment who really saw this as an opportunity and not necessarily as a challenge for them, and who took that opportunity and really pushed the flexible product forward. And that's really why we feel like a natural partnership.
So we started with large-scale solar assets, steering that kind of assets, but now we adapted as well to batteries and wind assets. And we're also happy to announce that we're also now actively steering e-boilers, because it's clear that steering local green heat is more important now than ever.
We're entering the next phase where not only are we steering specifically on batteries or solar installations or wind turbines, but also electric boilers, some cooling systems. And that's really, I think, where we're going to see the next phase of this flexibility coming in. And that I find super cool, because then we're not just flex for the sake of flex, but we're really replacing fossil fuels with electricity. So that's super cool to see.